Yo, what is up, all you credit repair business owners, all you hustlers out there? Honestly, for this video, anybody that has a service-based business, you need to listen up. This is why exactly you should not be discounting your prices, all right? At first, it might seem like, yeah, maybe I should do this. Maybe because I'll get another client. No, do not discount your prices. I learned from this, trust me, and I want to pass this along to you. First, when I was originally into this game, yeah, I did discount my prices, guys. I did. And it only left me with more headaches than it was actually worth. So let me give you an example. Like, not my prices right now, but let me give you a quick example. Let's say I was charging $1,000 for a service-based business. And let's say this guy's like, oh, I really need this, but I really need this, but I don't have enough money. Can we discount this for me? And they're like, okay, $500. And let's say I actually go with that. Let's say, sure, $500. That person is going to do two things. First of all, he's not going to respect the service as much. He's going to overthink it. He's not going to respect the service, and it's more of a stressful job for you, because usually what I find is that people that you discount the prices with, very, very frequently, they're going to be on the phone calling you, especially for a credit repair business, be on the phone calling you like, yo, Blade, why aren't you doing this? When am I going to see results? Blah, 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 blah. They're going to contact you constantly asking for results, okay? Because they're afraid, all right? Because they're just afraid. Second thing that you're going to get with this is not only are they going to be constantly on the phone with you, constantly bugging you to actually provide results, the second thing that's just going to be so annoying is that they are going to tell, actually no, not so annoying, but very detrimental to your business, is that these people are going to tell other people. So let's say you do a very good job for this person. And I made this mistake in my contracting business a while ago. I discounted a couple of prices for pressure washing some decks. And the problem with that is that when I did that, that person told everybody, all their friends, that I was cheap. And all their friends, they wanted the same price that he had. So let's say I was pressure washing this deck for like supposed to be $2,000, but let's say I charged him $1,000, half the price. Crazy. That person to tell every single person that you're cheap. That person to tell every single well, first of all, cheap is a bad thing to be called, all right? Because first of all, you have people are gonna know they have low prices. Second of all, that you know you can haggle with you. And third of all, people are gonna know that, I mean, they're not gonna have as much respect for you. It's my biggest thing. You know, it's crazy. They're not gonna have as much respect for you in comparison for when you're charging more. So when I sell my service, let me give you an example actually. When I sell my service right now, for marketing for credit repair businesses, for marketing for anybody, for doing Facebook ads for somebody, when I sell my service, I tell them, like, if somebody asks me if they can discount the price for him because maybe they're family, maybe they're friends, maybe I've known him for a while, I tell them straight up, no. I've worked so hard in this business. In the last 3 to 4 years, I've grinded my ass off. I lost a lot of money, made a lot of mistakes, and because where I am now, my position that I am now, because I'm actually able to drive results, I'd rather deny that work. Okay, because for me, that respect of being able to charge my price that I want, like by being cheaper, they're not going to respect me as much. They're not going to respect the service. The reason why I sell my course at $9.97 is because any less, they're not going to take the course seriously, and they're not going to do it. I can give away my course. I'm not that crazy. I'm not penny pinching for money. But the problem is, I want people to actually get results off what I do, so they can give me a video testimonial and they can refer me out. So the reason why I don't charge a penny less than $9.97 for my course is exactly what I said. People were not respected enough to actually follow through with it. So when somebody asks you guys to discount your price, tell them no. Straight up tell them no. All right? Have the respect in yourself, authority in yourself to be able to back away on that. And I'm not saying you can't offer payment plans. Absolutely, guys. If someone's really struggling, if somebody struggling, offer them a payment plan. Absolutely. 2 payments, 3 payments. And if they can't do that, they want just cheaper price, they're just playing games. Don't only mess with ballers. Only play with ballers. Don't mess with people that just want to play games. It's only going to waste your time and leave you with more of a headache. And one final thing to kind of just wrap this up, as I don't want to make this video too long, is make sure you're pricing your service right, okay? Don't think that your service is not worth it. because it is. If you can provide results, especially like in your credit repair business, if you can provide results, you can charge, and you can provide results, and you know you can provide results. Don't charge less. Don't undercharge yourself. Okay. Let me give you an example too. To wrap it up, right? For example, I was coaching this person a while ago, and she said she was charging like a $50 setup fee and like $40 a month for credit repair. And I was like, damn, girl, why are you doing that? And she was telling me the story how everybody that she charges, they would just give her more of a headache because they would constantly call her like, have you fixed this yet? Have you fixed my credit yet? Have you fixed my credit yet? And she told me specifically that was more of a headache than it was. Whereas if you're charging a high ticket price, people respect that price a lot more. They're gonna know that you know your shit because you're able to charge that much, and they're not gonna be constantly nagging you. They're gonna let you do your thing. Trust me, guys. You're gonna find that by charging more, it's gonna be a lot easier to work with those clients. Because first of all, you're only working with ballers. You're not working with people that want to play games, that want to nag you around and stuff like that. That's one of the biggest things, to be honest. But long story short, I'm gonna wrap this up, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, if you need help with anything, let me know. Schedule an appointment with me. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. Sweating over here. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out, take your business to the next level. Thank you, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.